Welcome to the instructions video for the Frequency Bandwidth Interactive Calculator. This tool helps you calculate signal bandwidth characteristics, including center frequency, Q factor, and cutoff frequencies for RF, optical, and communication system applications. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter your known values. Start by entering the center frequency, which is the middle frequency of your signal band. Next, input the Q factor, also known as quality factor, which measures the selectivity of your resonant circuit. For our example, let's enter a center frequency of 1000 Hz and a Q factor of 10. The calculator will then compute your bandwidth and determine both the upper and lower cutoff frequencies. In this case, we get a bandwidth of 100 Hz with a lower cutoff at 950 Hz and an upper cutoff at 1050 Hz. These values are crucial for filter design and signal analysis. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.